Hello everybody! Look, in the picture 1, the boy in red sweater is eating sandwich. But in the picture 2, the boy in a red sweater is eating an apple. In the picture 1, the girl in a pink t-shirt is drinking an apple juice. But in the picture 2, the girl in a pink t-shirt is drinking milk. In the picture 1, the man is sitting on the man and the woman are sitting on a blue blanket. But in the picture 2, the woman and the man are sitting on a chair. In the picture 2, there are 2 oranges on the blanket. But in the picture 1, there are 2 oranges on the blanket, but in the picture 2, there is 1 orange on the blanket. In the picture 2, there are flowers, but in the picture 2, there is a tree. In the picture 2, the girl is writing in her notebook, but in the picture 2, this girl is reading. In the picture 1, the boy has got a green blanket, but in the picture 2, the boy has got a blue blanket. In the picture 1, there are long bushes, but in the picture 2, there are short bushes. In the picture 1, there is a long river, but in the picture 2, there is a lake. In the picture 2, there are 2 small mountains, but in the picture 1, there are 2 small mountains. In the picture 2, there are 2 big mountains. In the picture 1, there is a field, but in the picture 2, there is a forest. That's all.